everyone. We have prepared latest market updates for January 30th, 2023. Toyota remains the world's best-selling car maker. Toyota Motor Corp sold 10.5 million vehicles in 2022, the company said on Monday, defending its title as the world's best-selling automaker for the third straight year. Global sales for the group, including the truck division of Hino Motors and small car maker Daihatsu, fell 0.1% as record overseas sales of 8.6 million vehicles helped offset a 9.6% drop in the home market to 1.9 million vehicles. Second-place rival, Volkswagen Group, earlier this month reported its lowest sales in more than a decade at 8.3 million vehicles as COVID-19 blockages in China and war in Ukraine disrupted supply chains. While some chip-related supply constraints persisted for Toyota, the Japanese automaker said strong demand in Asia, increased production capacity, and streamlined production in Asia and North America helped it boost global production by 5% in 2022. In November, the company revised up its production forecast for the current fiscal year to the end of March to 9.2 million vehicles from 9.7 million. Solana's DeFi project closes its user platform. Solana's decentralized finance DeFi platform Friction is closing its user interface and encouraging customers to withdraw their assets from the protocol, according to a statement dated 26th of January. The project website will no longer provide the previous services, operating in withdrawal mode for all vaults only and making deposits unavailable. Friction's vaults are structured DeFi investment products that allow investors to receive a share of the income from investment pools, the company said on its page. However, the underlying protocol will remain available on the chain. As the company noted, the market for DeFi's growth in recent months has been the driving force behind the stakeholder decision. In the first half of 2022, the Friction app reached almost 20,000 user wallets, surpassed $3 billion in trading volume, and reached more than $160 million in total blockchain value. Before it was affected by crypto winter, the company even launched secured lending in November 2022, targeting demand from institutional investors for DeFi. Oil prices fall on news from Iran and China. Oil prices held in a narrow range on Monday amid uncertainty over a drone attack on an Iranian facility and oversupply from Russia, although optimism over a recovery in Chinese demand contributed to some gains. A U.S. official attributed Israel's drone strike on an Iranian defense facility over the weekend to a potential escalation of political tensions in the Middle East, which in turn could disrupt global oil supplies. Chinese markets opened with a bang after the New Year holiday as demand for crude oil is set to rise this year thanks to the country's economic recovery. The weekend saw reports of a surge in travel during the country's week-long holiday, with the government promising to support local economic growth. Brent crude futures rose 0.3% to $86.65 a barrel, and West Texas Intermediate crude futures rose 0.3% to $79.94 a barrel. However, both contracts suffered their first weekly losses in 3 weeks after data emerged indicating an increase in crude exports from Russian Baltic ports in January.